Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel Wealth Concept 365, where we simplify complex topics to make them easy for you to understand. In this video, we're going to talk about email-based attacks, which includes phishing, spoofing, and spam. Let's get started. First of all, we will discuss about phishing. In simple terms, phishing is like a trap set by bad actors to catch unsuspecting users like you or me. These bad actors often pretend to be someone you trust, such as your bank manager or a delivery service, and try to trick you into giving away your personal information, passwords, or credit card details. For instance, you might receive an email offering you a free gift if you click on a particular link. The email may ask you to log into your account or update your information. But here's the catch: the link in that email is the trap. But clicking on that link could lead to a website designed to steal your information or download malware onto your device. These emails often try to create a sense of urgency so that you make a quick decision without thinking properly. And when you enter your information there, boom, the bad actors now have your login credentials and can access your personal accounts. To protect yourself against phishing attacks, always be cautious of emails asking for personal information. Be cautious of emails offering amazing deals that seem too good to be true, because they probably are. By staying informed and being cautious, by being aware and taking these precautions, you can stay safe from phishing attacks. Now let's move on to spoofing. In a spoofing attack, the attacker sends an email that pretends to be from a trusted source like your bank or a well-known company. They do this by sending you an email that looks like it's from a legitimate source. For example, imagine you receive an email that looks like it is from your bank manager asking you to update your account details. But unlike a phishing attack where the goal is to steal your information, the main aim of spoofing is to get you to take some kind of action. This action could be clicking on a malicious attachment, visiting a fake website, or even replying to the email with sensitive information. If you click on the attachment, it might contain a virus that can steal your information or a link that leads you to a fake website. If you click on it, it will take you to a fake website that looks exactly like the real one. On this fake site, you might enter your username and password thinking you're updating your account. But in reality, the attacker now has your login details. To defend yourself against spoofing attacks, be wary of emails that ask you to take immediate action. By staying vigilant and cautious, you can avoid falling victim to spoofing attacks. Double-check the sender's email address and never open attachments or click on links in emails from unknown sources. Never click on links in suspicious emails, and always use strong passwords that are unique to each site. Check the email address carefully and make sure it's from the real source. Unlike phishing and spoofing, the primary goal of spam is to advertise products or services to as many people as possible. Finally, let's talk about spam. Spam emails are those annoying messages you receive in your inbox that are often unwanted and sometimes even dangerous. However, some spam emails can also contain malicious links or attachments that can harm your device. Another common type of spam email is the one that promotes get-rich-quick schemes or offers unbelievable deals. To protect yourself from spam emails, it's essential to use a spam filter and never open emails from unknown senders. Use a spam filter and don't open emails from unknown senders. You can minimize the risk of falling prey to spam emails and keep your device and personal information safe. If you want more videos like this, hit the like button, comment below, and tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Now let's check your understanding with a quick quiz. Question 1. What is the main goal of a phishing attack? To advertise products or services. B. To steal user information and credentials. C. To make the user download malicious software. D. To get the user to visit a fake website. The correct answer is B. To steal user information and credentials. Question 2. What is the primary objective of a spoofing attack? To deliver spam messages to a large audience. B. To trick the user into taking a specific action. C. To steal credit card information. D. To infect a user's device with a virus. The correct answer is B, to trick the user into taking a specific action. Question 3. Which of the following is the best way to defend yourself against spam emails? Use a spam filter and don't open emails from unknown senders. B. Click on every email attachment to see what it contains. C. Forward every spam email to the appropriate authorities. D. Reply to spam emails and tell the sender to stop sending emails. The correct answer is A. That's all for this video, folks. Until next time, stay safe and secure online.